Man, what's going on, y'all? Good evening. This is Cajun Tactical. And hey, back with a, man, I got a problem with my JTS, so I wanted to show y'all what it is. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Now, normally, if I have a problem with this gun, I'll go straight to TAC 47 or JTS themselves because they'll take care of it. However, I knew what it was pretty quickly. As soon as I opened the gun, I knew it, and I'm gonna go over this with y'all. So let me show y'all what's happening. So my trigger is not resetting. Okay, look at this. It goes back, but it don't reset. Watch. So now the gun is clear, obviously, safety check. All right, look. Crack it for the reset, nothing happens. You gotta push the trigger with your finger forward. Let's do it again. Nothing. Got to push it forward. So I'm like, man, I haven't had a whole lot of rounds through this gun. I mean, maybe 1,000, if that. And like I didn't know what was going on. So last time I was shooting it at the range. So when I noticed it, it would fire around, then it wouldn't reset, and I just popped the trigger back forward with my finger, and there she went. So interesting. All right, so I'm about to break it down and show y'all what it is and how to fix it. And I'm gonna go ahead and change my camera angle. I'm gonna put it right on top because I don't have real good lighting here in the garage, and I want y'all to be able to see inside of the gun so you can see what it is. So I'll be right back, y'all. See y'all in a minute. And hey, if anybody else has this problem, let me know. Hit it down in my comments. This is the first I've heard of it, and I haven't seen anybody on YouTube with this problem. However, there was people with 8Ks with this problem. So I figured it out. I want to share it with y'all. See y'all in a sec. All right, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and field strip it so we can look on the inside and show you what the issue is. Hey, if anybody else has had this problem, man, y'all let me know. So I haven't told Keith or anybody at TAC 47 yet, but I will. And I'm gonna send them this video. So take the dust cover off. Recoil spring. Make sure the hammer's down. Pull the bolt out. All right, let me get all this stuff out of our way. All right, y'all. So let me grab my little light just in case you can't see in here. Okay, so when you look in here, all right, let's see. So you have your two springs. So the springs to me seem to be a bit loose. However, the spring on the right side, so let's see. See these two springs? So these springs have to be seated. So let me point it so I can show you. They have to be seated on top, right here. So both springs have to come down. See if you can see that one. And seat right on top this latch. So if it's not on top, it's not gonna hold it. See, nothing happens. I gotta push it up, okay? So it's this one right here. Let me find it. So it's kind of dark in here, y'all. I apologize. Okay, so this spring. See if y'all can see. You see how it's sitting on top of? It's sitting on top. It's got to be under it. Okay, it's got to be under it. So how you fix that is you grab your pair of needle nose pliers, which I got some new ones. These are called Van pliers. Man, I actually love these. I got like 5 of them. These are awesome. Anyway, so I am going to, let's see. You be able to see that? Okay, that's about as good as I'm gonna be able to get it. So I'm gonna take my pliers and I'm gonna pull this spring right over this latch. Something so easy. I knew what it was too. No, I can't see like that. So I have to put it down, y'all, so I can see. I don't have the best lighting in this old garage, but I'm trying. Okay, so now as you can see, or let's see if you can see, both springs are sitting right on top of right here, okay? On top, both sides. Now, look. See the trigger? Just like that. I mean, I ain't even put a whole lot of rounds through this. So I was pretty amazed, but hey, it was an easy fix. And I'm still gonna let Keith TAC 47 know that, you know, this is what happened to my gun that I reviewed for y'all. So, okay, let's put the bolt on, let's put it back together. And hey, man, like, please, I hope I'm not the only person on the planet who's had this problem. I really do. So y'all let me know. There it is, back on. Oh, one of my lights went out. Darn it, that's all right. All right, so that's on. We got the spring back in there. So if anybody else is having this problem in their JTS, either their MK12 or their T1, let me know. This is the T1, so this is the new one, you know? This is the new one, but I sure would like to know. All right, I don't do it. There it is. Sorry about that, y'all. Boom. All right, let's see if she works. Now that I fixed the problem. So like I said, nobody on YouTube I've seen, because I looked, had this problem with the JTS, just with the AK. Okay, let's reset it. There it is, y'all. Ready to go back to battle. So if you have this problem, let me know. I'm real interested to see. I can't, like I said, I can't be the only one on the planet that has this problem. So pick this up a little bit so we can talk. But I'll tell you this, the rifle has been amazing for me, and I haven't had any problems with the MK12 or the T1 up until I just went last weekend and put my first couple rounds through it and the trigger didn't reset. I'm like, man, come on, what is the problem? But anyway, quick fix, y'all. So don't panic. Just watch the video, and if you have any questions or can't figure anything out, shoot me out in the comments and let me know, and man, I'm gonna help you. So hey, y'all, this is Cajun Tactical. I'm signing out. I hope everybody has a good one. And hey, oh, just to let y'all know, for the MK12 Generation 1, the hand guards were supposed to be in December. They kind of run a little bit behind, and I still haven't got mine yet. I'm gonna be the first one to get one. So since I'm local to them, as soon as they're available to ship, I'm gonna leave work and go pick it up, and I'll be doing a video that night of it. So I hope it's awesome. You know, I've been waiting a long time. It wasn't super cheap either. So let's rock and roll. And man, I'll let y'all know. Y'all see the video with mine. I'm installing. I'm gonna do it all by myself and show you guys. And whoever got one, they'll be shipping soon. That's about the best answer I could get. So once again, y'all, Cajun Tactical signing out, man. Y'all have a great night. Stay tuned. Another thing I have been doing, I don't know if y'all seen, but I'm doing a little cooking on the side too. I'm doing a few videos of some Cajun cooking. So if y'all hadn't seen that, man, subscribe, check it out. I did crabs, ball crabs last week, and this week I've done the video already. I just hadn't edited. I'm not gonna do it drop it till Sunday. Is Louisiana shrimp etouffee. Oh, so good, yeah. Now, y'all check it out. I'm gonna show y'all how to make it. It's pretty simple. So hey, I'll see y'all here soon. Y'all have a great evening.